focusing on Mexico situation and the miracle that happened in Mexico yesterday and today.
The effects of climate change can be seen in Mexico. More than half of the country is now facing moderate to severe drought due to below average rainfall, while two of the main dams supplying the Cerro Prieto and La itself for the hottest months of the season.
Believe it can turn from bad to worse as the season's hottest months are yet to arrive. Irregular rainfalls have inflicted droughts in most parts of the country. Moreover, every day they cut off.
Okay, right here.
Their limit.
People are fighting over the water. The trucks arrive and people don't respect the line. It's chaos in our neighborhood. It's sad, but what can we do? We need a miracle.
Estamos esperando un milagro de Dios. Means they're waiting for a miracle from God. And they got their answer. Where that gentleman, Monterey, is located in this area right here. And we have more rain coming in from the Gulf of Mexico. Let's say, I say about 70-80% in this, around there, are getting water. As I was said in the other video, church here, the La Iglesia de la Ángel, or the Virgen, the Mother Mary churches in Mexico. You got Guadalupe and you got this one in Mexico. Teresa Hernandez put out this fantastic story August 28th at 1:54 p.m. Basically 1580, a painting of the Assumption Virgin Mother Mary arrived in the area floating. Remember, floating. Picture of flood, and it's floating on floodwaters and ended up in the mud on the property of the indigenous Indians, according to a book about church written by Jose about a century ago. And the artwork that depicts the Catholic belief that Mary, mother of Jesus, ascended into heaven, body and soul. In the midst of the floods, of all the flood, with all the evil they caused, against that background of darkness and desolation, the image of the Lady of the Angels appeared in full light as a rainbow in the midst of the storm. Earthquake occurred in September 19, 2017. 5 years ago. 5 years. And the day they announced that work has resumed, fixed this holy site. They get this. They got their bendición de Dios. Ahí está. 1950 hours, 7:50 p.m. The story broke out at 1:54 p.m. This is a miracle. And I hope the people of Mexico vea eso. Eso fue un milagro. Gracias a Dios that you started repairing the church, because this is happening all around the planet. Okay, water responds to prayers.